Want to stop ChatGPT from collecting your data? Here's how to protect your privacy in 1 minute. Step 1. Open your ChatGPT account settings. Go to Data Controls or Privacy. This is where data collection options live. Turn off Share data to improve models. Also, disable Allow training on your conversations if you see it. Step 3. Review history and clear past chats if you prefer. Enable two-factor authentication for extra account security. Limit third-party integrations and revoke any unused apps. Use private prompts. Don't paste personal data like emails or passwords. If you want data removed, request deletion through the Privacy Center. Quick checklist. Toggles off, history cleared, two-factor on, revoke unused apps, request data deletion. See the resources link in the description. Privacy is control. Review settings regularly and protect your ChatGPT account today.